Again, he's having milk and also he's having a bowl of fruits. Next. Third, he had a bowl of porridge. Okay. With oats and all, we'll mix it, no? Honey, oats, with fruits, everything mixture of oats, fruits and honey is a porridge. Okay, it's a eatable thing. So it's having this also porridge. See here, Sandy had a glass of milk. Sandy had a glass of milk. He had fruit. See, using had, we are writing the sentence. He had fruits. Second one, a bowl of fruits was given. No, he had fruit. Next. Third one, he had a bowl of porridge. Third one. Okay. All sentences came across with had only. Okay, children. You understood the point or not? Okay. Now, second one also given for you. See one, second one. The king. See here, you are seeing here the king picture here. See here, who is he? The king. The king. See, what you have to write using had, you have to frame the sentence. By seeing the picture, you have to frame the sentence and write. By using had, H-A-D, had. Okay, children? I hope that you have understood this one. Please write the king and palace. With this, we have to frame the sentence using had. See, A1. Second one, no, A. First one already given for you. No need to write anything, children. Okay, it was given already. You go for second one. Second one, see, the king had a palace. See, what you have to write? With the king and the palace, we have to write using had. The king had a palace. See, this is the palace, no, children? Big palace, no, with number of rooms and all, with all decorations and all will be there in the palace, isn't it? That is palace. The king had a palace. First one. Using had, we have to write the sentence. Please write. Write down neatly, children, in the textbook. Write down neatly. K should be like this. Please write neatly. Next. Again, with the king only, second one. Here what? Lots of money is there in this box, isn't it? With the king and the lots of money, we have to join the sentence with had. H-A-D, had. What is the answer, children? You said? No need to write again the king, no? He enough. See, in the first sentence also, Sandy, again it was not repeated there. He is there, second sentence. So that you can write he. Means, in the first sentence, you have already referred as the king, isn't it? No need to write again the king. Okay, no need to write again the king, children. You can write he. He had, H-A-D had, he had lots of money. Full stop. End of the sentence should be full stop. Write down neatly. See. Again, in third picture, the king again throne. isn't it? Huh? See, using had, we had to frame the sentence. He had a throne. Good. He had a throne. Write neatly, children. Very, very important. Neat handwriting should be there. If you don't write neat handwriting, it looks ugly. The textbook or your notes is everything. It will be easy for you to learn also if handwriting is good, isn't it? You'll get an interest to learn if you see your handwriting one time in your book. Okay, please maintain good handwriting. Very, very important, ma. Next one, simple future tense. Shall I rub the board, children? Or dear parents, you can take a screenshot. I'm rubbing the board, no? Simple future tense. See here, read the following sentences first. I will go to a museum tomorrow. Next, I will eat candies. I will complete my homework. Next one, I'll play in the park. I'll buy balloons. These are the sentences, given sentences. In these sentences, the verbs in bold are in future tense. Means here verbs means will go. Okay, this is in the bold form, isn't it? Will eat, will play, will buy. These are all in the future tense. Verbs in bold are in future tense. Will. That's a future tense, no? So, see. We use future tense to show actions that have not been done or will be done later, isn't it? To form future tense, we are will before the doing word or verb. Before the verb, we'll use this future tense will. Will play. See, play is a verb. Will play. Will eat. Eat is a verb. It's a kind of action, isn't it? So will eat. Will play. Will buy. Okay. To form future tense, we add will before this eat, before this go, before this play, before this buy, we'll add will, isn't it? Now, some examples are given for you. You please listen carefully, children. See, examples: will go, will play, will buy, will eat. These are examples. See, you understood, ma? Now, A, fill in the blank with the future tense form of verb given in the brackets. One is done for you. See, one is done for you. First one, Tanya dash dance on the stage. See, here in the brackets, what was given? Dance. dance. So what we have to add for the future tense? What we have to add, children? Will dance. Will dance is the answer, isn't it? We have to add will with dance. Dance was given here, isn't it? We have to add will. Will dance. Both you have to write. Okay. Like that only, so many sentences were given for you. Please see. Second one, mother. Mother dash by me a new bicycle. See here. You say the answer, children. We have to use the future tense form of verb. Means what will come in the answer, children? Will buy. Mother will buy. Will buy. See, buy was already there here. Will buy will come. Okay. Please write down will buy. Third one. This is page number 16, children. Third question is in page number 16, children. Please. Third one. Tomorrow we dash tomorrow, comma, we dash in the bracket visit was given. Visit was given. Our granny's house. Granny's house. Say, children. Now, tomorrow we dash visit our granny's house. Tomorrow means will come, no? Will. Beside the visit, will visit. Tomorrow we will visit our granny's house. Will visit. Okay, children? Very, very important. You have to remember very well. Future tense. Simple future tense. Fourth one. Father dash reach. Say answers to your parents, children. Simply don't sit. Before me only you should be very faster to answer the question. Okay. Reach Mumbai at night. Mumbai at night. Very, very important. See, here, father dash reach Mumbai at night. This is the question. See, in the bracket, reach was given here, isn't it? So we have to add will for reach, isn't it? Will reach. Will reach. Will reach. Mumbai here. Mumbai is there. Why here capital letter, children? It's the name of a city, so that we have to write capital letter. Even if it comes in the middle of the sentence also, we have to write capital letter for names of a person, places like that. Okay. Father will reach Mumbai at night. This is the answer. Fifth one I am writing here, children. I dash read a story In the class. In the class. See. Okay. With what we have to write the sentence? Will. Will plus verb, isn't it? I will read a story in the class. Will read. Write down neatly, children. Very important. Write down neatly. Please write down neatly. I'll rub the board. I'll go for B. Dear parents, if you want to take a screenshot, you can take. Now, page 16 only. B. See here. Once look at your textbook. Reread the following sentences in the future tense. One is done for you. Hint was given. Change the highlighted verbs. Highlighted verbs means see. It was printed darkly in your textbook. First sentence, see. Mother makes a sandwich for me. Makes. So highlighted word there, isn't it? In question it was given as makes. So in the answer it was changed as will make. Only this highlighted word should change. Not all the whatever the given sentence. No, don't change like that. Only change the highlighted word. Okay? Makes becomes will make. Like that. Mother makes a sandwich for me. Mother will make. Will make is the answer there. So using this future tense, we have to write now. So we have to add will. Will make. Mother will make a sandwich for me. This is the answer. Okay. So previously it was given like a blank. Now it was given like a sentence, children. No confusion in this. Both are same. Isn't it? Now go for second one. Go for second one. Have you understood this one? Or I will write, see, mother. Underline this one. You underline. Highlighted ones you underline. Will be no confusion for you. Mother makes a sandwich for me. For me. So please underline makes here. Okay? You will understand better. Mother will make. In the answer, what given, children? Mother will make a sandwich for me. A sandwich for me. See here. Highlighted word only should change now. No other words are not to be changed in the sentence. Only highlighted words should be changed. Okay? As a future tense. Will should be there in the answer. Will should be there in the answer. Second one. I hope that you have understood this first one. No? Second one. My brother teaches is a highlighted word there. Teaches me English. Teaches me English. See. Please underline the teachers in your textbook, children. Underline the teachers. This teachers has to change. Okay. Remaining full sentence was same. No need of changing anything. Only the highlighted word should be changed. Remember that word. Answer, see. You write small letters. Will be okay. My brother teachers changes as using will. Will teach. Will teach. Underline this first. Will teach me English. Will teach me English. Third one. I go to school. See, you have to underline this go. I go to school in the morning. In the morning. I go to school in the morning. This is a sentence. Okay, you have to change. Go becomes here. Using future tense, what will come? Answer. I will go. I will go to school. I will go to school in the morning. See, children, it's very, very important to find out what has to write in the answer. What will come in the answer? Understand the theme and you have to write. Simply don't write. Copying is not a thing, but you have to get. You have to understand it. Future tense, what we have to keep? Will. We have to add will for the verb. Like that, you have to think over in the mind and write the answer. Understand? I'm going to rub this board, children. Please copy fastly or otherwise take a screenshot. Now, fourth one. See, fourth one, see. We visit, underline this. It's a highlighted word. Visit the temple, T-M-P-L-E, temple, on Sunday. On Sunday. See here, we are to write in the future tense. See here, we, what will be there in the answer? Will visit. Will visit. We will visit the temple, full same temple on Sunday. Very, very important. Will visit. Future tense, you have to write. Fifth one. More, in the answer, you have to write full sentence. This is rewrite the sentences, isn't it? Don't write will visit in the answer and just sit. This is rewrite the sentence was given in the textbook particularly for you. So that I am telling you to write full sentence in the given space only. Okay, children? Please write. Don't write will visit answer and sit. No, rewrite the sentence. Fifth one, I ate an ice cream. An ice cream. What is the highlighted word in this? Ate. Isn't it? Answer. I. You say the answer? I. What we have to add before the verb? Future tense, no? What we have to add, ma? Will. I will eat. I will eat. Full sentence you need to write in the textbook, ma. I will eat an ice cream. An ice cream. Okay. See, again you practice in your rough book this future tense sentences, children. Very important. Very, very important in your higher standards also. Not only in the second standard. Okay. See. Now, learn new words. Learn new words. Look and read. Please see your textbook, children. Look and read. See here. What are the pictures given here? Here, one child is standing. Here, 3 children are standing. 3 children are there here. This side, only one child is there. That side, 3 children are there. Okay? Some words change when they become more than one. Some words will change when they become more than one. Okay? Suppose one child is there here. One child. One child is there. So, 3 children. That side, 3 children are there. 3 children. Child, children. Child, children. It changed or not? 1 and 3. One child, 3 children. Changed or not, ma? Changed, no? You observe the difference, no? See. Now, some words are given here. Match the one to its more than one. Okay. Child, children. Like that, we have to match the words for one to more than one. Here, one child, 3 children here. Like that only, some words are given for you. You please match. Okay. See, take your pencil again. Shall I rub the board, children? I wanted to rub the board. Shall I rub? If you want, you can take screenshot. No problem. Now see. Foot. 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 See here. Match, no? You have to match. Foot. Feet. F-E-E-T, feet. Foot. Feet. Right now. Just you match. No need to write. Just you match. Foot. Feet. Foot means one, no? Feet. Foot. Feet. Like that. Next. Tooth. Second one. Tooth. Tooth. Teeth. T-E-E-T-H. Teeth. Tooth. Teeth. mouse, mouse, mice, mouse, mice. Woman, woman means only one. Woman, woman, W-O-M-A-N, woman. More than one woman we call. See, only mean a woman. Woman. Woman means more than 2, 3, 4 like that. More than one we'll call as woman. Okay. Understand the difference. Understand the difference. Man, 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 man. Just you match the words. No need to write. See. B1. Look at the pictures and tick the correct words. Remember one and more than one. See. See here. Look at the pictures there. All of you look at the pictures there. Pick the correct words. See there. Here tree was given for you, know. First picture tree. Tree. Trees. Given ones are like this. So what? Only one tree you are seeing here. You take 4 trees. Like that you do in the textbook. Next. Here cats are there. 2 cats. Next one. You take for cat or cat? Cat or cat, children? No. You take for cats. Cats. Next. Third one. Dress. Dresses. How many dresses you have seen there in the textbook? Yes. Dress. Keep tick for dress. Next. Brush. Brushes. Only one brush you are seeing there. You tick for brush. Tick for brush. Marble. Marbles. Next one. You tick for. You are seeing many marbles. You tick for marbles. Next one. Puppy. Puppies. Puppies are there or puppy? Only one puppy is there. Puppies are there. You tick for puppies. Okay. Children, with this we have completed this lesson 1 grammar, children, in the textbook. Lesson 1 was over in the textbook. Okay. I'll start CW for you in the coming class. Okay, children. Lesson 1 CW I'll give you. Okay. Thank you, children.